More space, more perks, half the stress. Here's a Hong Kong hotel that actually works for families. Bigger rooms are rare in Hong Kong. Kung meron man, hindi napasok sa budget namin. But this place actually delivers. Perfect if you're willing to spend a little more for comfort. It's comfy, malinis, and everything we need are there. Ang ganda pa ng view namin, no? And very safe yung area. Clean bed, sofa, ref, coffee and tea, toilet essentials are there, tissue, toothbrush and toothpaste, towels, my bathtub and hot shower. Important din na may safe and full-size mirror. There's indoor play area and game room. May extra charge nga lang to, but there's a pool but seasonal. Gym for adults. These small perks, huge for keeping younger kids happy. But ito yung pinaka nagustuhan namin dito sa Panda Hotel. The convenience. It's connected to a mall with restaurants, groceries, and fast food downstairs. No long walks after a day of touring. You're covered. Mga around 10-minute walk yung nearest MTR station. It has direct airport buses. Meron pa silang ino-offer na free shuttle to Mongkok and other hotspots. Tapos, even if you're not in the main city center, there's bus stops outside. Yes, you can see some wear and tear in the hallways and bathrooms. But for Hong Kong, it's more affordable, more spacious, and packed with amenities for the price. For me, it's not luxury, it's comfort, space, convenience, exactly what matters when traveling with kids.